For the name badge starter project, you will need the name badge, the set of directions, an LED light, a CR2032 battery, and conductive tape. To begin, you will poke 2 holes for the LED legs and thread them through the front of the name badge, orientated as shown in the image. This is more challenging than it looks. I found that using an eyeglass-sized screwdriver was much easier to poke the holes. Next, you'll begin to measure, cut, peel, and stick the maker tape along the path as it's shown, beginning with part A, and then part B, part C, and then part D. Take specific note that when you lay down part A, the battery will sit on top of that piece of maker tape, but when you lay down part D, the maker tape will sit on top of the battery. It's also helpful to make a small loop of the conductive tape to put underneath the battery to hold it in place. Finally, make sure that the positive side of the battery is facing upward, and you should have an LED that lights up. Your final step is to add your name. This could also be done as the first step in the process if you're working with young children. Add your safety pin to the top of your name badge, and you are ready to attach it to your clothes. This is a fantastic project if you're looking for a quick introductory STEM project to do with your students.